This is LENOVO Yoga Tab 11, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So to start, you will need to download and install the free third-party app that is called TurboVPN, so let me do exactly that. Well, here's the app that we were looking for. Once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it, and here tap at the green continue button. Onwards, skip the ad. And in here, in order to connect the VPN, simply tap at the caret icon, then accept the connection request. Well, sometimes that's a normal thing to have your connection fail, so let's retry and see if this time we'll have any luck. Already, maybe third time will be a charm. Well, that's actually pretty odd since usually, well, that shouldn't be the issue, but let's try fixing this problem by first relaunching the app, and then I will also try changing my the Wi-Fi network that I'm currently connected to, since such issues may be attributed to the internet problems you have on your end rather than at the end of app servers. Well, so let's connect to some alternative Wi-Fi network and open the TurboVPN app again. Well, that was loud, so we'll tap to connect and see if this time the little cute rabbit will be finally able to set up the VPN, or well, establish the VPN connection. Well, that's actually pretty interesting, why the connection fails every time despite of me switching the network that I use. Maybe we'll try to connect to some particular server rather than the automatic mode in which it connects to what it considers the best option for you. Alrighty, yep, so as you can see, the VPN connection was established. Basically, I guess the server that it tried to connect me to automatically wasn't working properly. So as you can see, these problems might occur. So I showed you a few ways you can troubleshoot and fix them. So while connected to VPN, you can reconnect yourself to other server as well. So let's say I'll reconnect myself from UK to, well, Germany, for example. And as you can see, the server has been successfully changed. Now, if you would like to disconnect from VPN on the other hand, tap at this cross icon over here, choose the disconnect option, and well, that would be it. So, thanks for watching, and bye-bye.